Hello everyone, this is Danny from creatingawebstore.com, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to batch resize images using Photoshop. So to start, simply locate your images. Note that I have an empty folder here. The reason I have this folder is because this is where I want the images to be saved. So I want Photoshop to open up all of these images, resize them, and then save them here. I actually want the images resized at width of 500 pixels, and I want the height calculated automatically. As you can see, this image is at 680 by 1022, and I will also save them all as PNG, because if I were to just show Photoshop how to resize them on images such as these ones, which are in JPEG, it would ask me the quality that I want the images saved as. So I actually have to show Photoshop each and every step that I wish to perform, so that it can understand and override those dialogues for me. So let's first open up an image. And now we're going to go to the Actions window here. If the Actions window isn't visible on your computer, simply go to Window and then Actions and make sure that there's a check mark next to Actions. But you can actually left click on it and Window should then appear. And then go to this folder icon and click it. It's Create New Set icon. And then here we will give it a name, and that will be Batch Resize. And now I will have this folder selected, and I will click on New Action. And in this case, I will just leave it as Action 1, and the set will be Batch Resize. And as for the function key, this is up to you if you want to give it a function key. And then when I hit record, I'm going to start showing Photoshop what I want it to do. So in this case, I'm going to go to Image and Image Size, and I will change the width to 500 pixels. Note that you can also do percent if you'd like, so you can enter in like 50%. And you can change actually all of these properties. In particular, I want constrained proportions selected, because I actually want the images to be resized properly. I don't want the images to look distorted. So I will click on OK, and now I will go to File and I will click on Save As, and I will choose PNG format, and then I'm just going to click on Save here. And now I'm going to stop the action from being recorded. And now I'm just going to go to File, and I will go to Automate, and I will click on Batch. And now it will ask me what I want to play. So for Set, it will be Batch Resize, and for Action, it will be 1. And as for Source, I will choose a folder, and that will be the folder that the images are in, which is this folder right here. And then it will ask me if I want to save and close. If I save and close, it will actually save to the same destination, which is not what I want to do, because that would actually overwrite the originals and I would lose the originals. So I'm going to choose a folder, and that folder will be this one right here, the empty one. And then I will click here for Override Action Save As commands. This will basically get rid of that dialog, which will require you to click OK each time for it. And then I will just click on OK, and the images will be opened, resized, and saved to the destination folder. So as you can see, all of my images have been opened and resized and saved as PNG, and they are all in 500 pixel width, and the height has been automatically adjusted for me. So now what I will do is I will show you another way that you can do this. You can actually also open up, for example, this image, which is in JPEG. And let's see, this image is at 680. And actually, let me open up a couple of images for you here. And I'm going to show you how the batch can work this way. So we're going to do another batch, and this new batch will be called batch resize. Let's give it 2. And now I will make sure that it's selected, and I will create a new action, and this action will be action 2. And I will record, and I will just resize. And this is all that I will record. I won't record the save as action. And I will just stop it. And now for your reference, I'm just going to undo this so that you can see how all of these images will be resized in batch. And they will actually be resized in the same directory that they were originally in. So I will go to File, and then I will go to Automate and click on Batch. And I will choose the set batch resize 2. And for the source, I will use open files, which is these files right here. And I will uncheck this override action, save as commands, and I will actually go just with save and close, and it will actually open them and save them in the same directory. And I will click on OK. And see, now it will ask me whether I want this as so, and I will just say OK. And now I will have these images as 500 by 751 pixels, and they have been saved in the same folder that they were originally in. So that's that. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and also be sure to check out creatingawebstore.com.